Imagine tackling pet hair, dust, and debris around your home without constantly stopping to untangle your vacuum roller. What if cleaning could actually feel effortless? Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're taking a close look at the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a stick vacuum designed to make everyday cleaning lighter, faster, and more effective. If you're someone who struggles with pet hair, allergies, or just wants a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum, this review is for you. And if you want to explore it further, the purchase link is conveniently in the description and pinned comment. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum is a rechargeable, lightweight stick vacuum with a tangle-resistant design and up to 50 minutes of runtime. It's designed to work across multiple surfaces, from hardwood and tile to carpets, while offering tools that make corners, crevices, and upholstery a breeze. This is a product that matters because it combines performance, convenience, and maintenance simplicity in one package. Reason number 1. Tangle-resistant design. One of the standout features is the tangle-resistant roller. Unlike traditional vacuums that get clogged with hair, this design allows you to pick up more hair, human or pet, without stopping to clear tangles. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, this feature alone can save countless minutes on regular cleaning. Reason number 2. Versatile cleaning. With included attachments such as a 2-in-1 crevice tool and pet tool, this vacuum adapts to every corner of your home. From under furniture to staircases, it can handle multiple floor types with ease. Versatility, like this, ensures you don't need multiple devices cluttering your home. Reason number 3. Easy empty dustbin. Emptying the vacuum is straightforward. A single click releases the dust into your trash can. It's hygienic, quick, and doesn't require you to touch the debris. Over time, this convenience improves your ownership experience significantly. Reason number 4. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing just a few pounds, the Levoit vacuum is easy to lift, carry, and store. Quick cleanups become simple because you're not dragging around a heavy appliance. This is especially useful for multi-level homes or quick daily touch-ups. Reason number 5. Washable filters and roller. Maintaining peak suction is effortless thanks to washable filters and a detachable roller. Instead of replacing parts frequently, you can simply rinse and reuse. This not only prolongs the life of the vacuum, but also ensures it performs efficiently for years. Reason number 6. Ideal for pets and allergies. Thanks to its 5-stage filtration system, this vacuum effectively captures pet hair, dander, and dust particles. If you have pets or anyone in your household prone to allergies, this feature provides a noticeable improvement in air quality and cleanliness. Reason number 7. Long runtime and powerful suction. With up to 50 minutes of cordless runtime and consistent suction power, the Levoit vacuum allows you to clean larger areas without interruption. This reliability makes it practical for both small apartments and larger homes, providing confidence that it won't leave areas unfinished. Final verdict: the Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner isn't perfect. It may not replace a full-size upright vacuum for deep carpet cleaning, but for most homes, it excels in convenience, versatility, and maintenance simplicity. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it's ideal for pet owners, allergy-conscious households, or anyone seeking a lightweight, easy-to-use cleaning solution. Overall, it stands out for blending performance with practicality. If you're looking for a vacuum that makes everyday cleaning feel effortless, this is one to seriously consider. Take a moment to reflect on your own cleaning needs and make a choice with confidence. You can explore it further through the link in the description and pinned comment.